Quick question, what's the best way to slap on 100 horsepower to your LS1 without rebuilding the whole motor? Well, it's superchargers. But which ones actually deliver for the money? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 superchargers for the LS1, from budget-friendly kits to full-send performance setups. Prices, boost numbers, power gains, pros and cons, and my take on whether they're worth it. At number 5, we have the TorqStorm Supercharger Kit. The price is around $3,800. It is pulley-driven, and the boost is around 6 to 8 psi. The horsepower gains are around 120 to 150 horsepower. It fits all LS1 platforms, including the Fox body and swap applications, and you can buy it from TorqStorm.com. The pros, it's very affordable for a full kit and great low-end torque, self-contained oiling, so no tapping the pan, and then the cons are no intercooler included, and it is slightly noisier blower whine. For the price, it's one of the cleanest and easiest bolt-ons. If you're going for a street build or hot rod swap, TorqStorm is stupid reliable for the money. At number 4, we have the ProCharger P-1SC-1 system. The price is around $6,400. That is the full kit with the intercooler, and it is a pulley-driven one. Boost is around 7 to 9 psi. Horsepower gains 130 to 170 plus. Fits a 1998 to 2002 Camaro Firebird LS1, and you can buy it from ProCharger.com. What are the pros? It is super consistent with power. It's intercoolered for cooler intake temps and very scalable for future mods. What are the cons? It is more expensive and requires proper tuning to maximize gains. ProCharger is basically the gold standard for the LS1 supercharging. You're paying more, but the gains are real and reliable. You want a track-ready street monster, and this is it. At number 3, we have the Vortech V-3 Si trim kit. The price is around $5,200. The boost, it's around 6 to 10 psi. The horsepower gain around 120 to 150 horsepower. It fits 1998 to 2002 Camaro Trans Ams. You can buy from summitracing.com or vortechsuperchargers.com. What are the pros? It's quiet and smooth operation, easy to install with basic tools, and great for daily driver builds. What are the cons? Not as aggressive as others at the same price, and limited future upgrade potential. This is for the guys who want extra punch without tuning their LS1 into a race car. Super smooth, super quiet, and sneaky fast. At number 2, we have the Magnuson TVS2300 Supercharger Kit. The price is around $7,000 to $7,800. The boost sits around 6 to 9 psi. The horsepower gains are 130 to 200 horsepower. It fits LS1 swaps, and custom brackets often are needed for it, but you can buy it from MagnusonSuperchargers.com. What are the pros? Insane throttle response, excellent low-end torque, and OEM style. What are the cons? It's kind of heavy and you might need hood clearance mods. This is an instant torque in heaven. If you're doing autocross or want a car that pulls hard from a dig, this one is brutal in the best way. At number 1, we have the LSA Supercharger Swap, OEM style. Price $3,000 to $4,500. Boost sits around 8 to 10 psi. Horsepower gains around 150 to 250 horsepower. It fits an LS1 with swap brackets, interjectors, pump. Where to buy from? eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and ICTbillet.com. What are the pros? Factory GM reliability, huge power potential for low cost, and tons of aftermarket support. Cons, not a full bolt-on, you'll need swap parts, and the heat soak without intercooler upgrades. This is a sleeper's choice. OEM parts, monster torque, and you can piece it together way cheaper than a full kit, if you know how to wrench. This is the move. There you go, the top 5 superchargers for your LS1, whether you're building a street beast, a drag demon, or a daily sleeper. Which one would you throw on your build? Let me know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button if you love fast cars on smart budgets. This is Torque Savvy, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.